everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clone a repository from GitHub. So I'm going to make this as quick and as easy to follow as possible. So without further ado, let's get started. So from your GitHub account, what you're going to do is you're going to open the repository of your choice that you want to clone. I'm just going to choose one of my top repositories from here. And then once you have chosen your repository, what you're going to do is you're going to start opening your Git bash. So I'm just going to open my Git bash. And then from here, I'm just going to get this ready. I'm going to open the File Explorer. And then from the File Explorer, I'm going to head over to Documents. I'm going to click on a new folder right here. I'm going to add in clone here as my name. I'm going to tap in it and open it. And then from here, we are going to open Git bash. Just click it open right here, and then you are going to add in the command cd. Now you're going to add a quotation mark, and then from there you're just going to tap on this, and then from there you're going to copy. You're going to paste it in here, so this is going to save as the path where the files will be cloned. So you're going to add an end quotation mark, hit on enter, and then from there, as you can see, it has created a path for us. So any command that you put it in here and any files that you add in here, it will be added into this folder. Now, in order for us to clone a folder from GitHub, we have to use the git clone command. So we're just going to have to type in git clone right there. And then we're going to head back to GitHub. From here, you're going to tap on the code right here, and then you will be able to see this HTTPS tab. You're going to click on that, and then you will see this link. You're going to click on copy URL to my clipboard, and once you have it copied, you're just going to paste it in here. Just make sure that you open it with a quotation mark. Once again, you're going to paste it, and then you're going to end with a quotation mark once again, and then you're going to hit on next or enter. Now, as you can see here, it is starting to clone into test, and it has been received right here. Now we're just going to double check whether it has been added to our document folder, and it has been added here, the test repository. And that's it. That is how you can clone a repository from GitHub Online to your terminal. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.